Typito tutorial for beginners, how to use Typito online video editor. Hello guys, Celia here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we use Typito to create our own videos. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow these steps I do to not make any mistakes. So as you can see, they provide us the opportunity to create a lot of different videos. They have a lot of images from stock, from templates, so it's easy to use, and we have like free version. It's pretty cool. In order to get started, we need to visit their website typito.com, and now we are on the main page. We need to click on create a video for free or get started if you are new. So let's click on get started and we'll create an account from scratch, or basically we'll even come to this page here. There we can just start our creation. So firstly we need to upload our files. As you can see, I'm going to use my files from my computer to videos, and then I'll just click on plus, and basically we can add everything we want. So it may take a little time, it depends on our internet speed connection. So I'll just close this window and they will appear right up here in media folder. Basically, what do we have? In the left side we have our main menu with my media, stock videos, text, elements, music and subtitles. So every folder, like it's about the name of the folder. So here, for example, on stock we can find a lot of materials we can use for free: photos, videos, different templates and so on. On the text area there is like a lot of different text templates we can use, or just add some basic text. As you can see, elements like shapes, different arrows, lines, progress bars and so on. And music, there is like free music library we can use. There is like no copyright, we can simply use and do some stuff. In the top right corner we can see the export, where we can export. We can also sign up or login to save our project, or basically we can do everything on the one like time and then just export it. We can also resize our project. So as you can see, there is like resize option. We can change the necessary resolution. I'd like to choose the widescreen. It's like for a YouTube video. Let it be like this one, for example, here. So now we are ready to get started. This is our player area in the central part, and in the bottom of the screen we have our timeline, where we can change like the duration and work with our video. So basically what I'm going to show you is that we can simply cut the unnecessary parts from our video. For example, if we want to use only a few seconds like this, we can simply move to the necessary position, and here in the bottom of the screen just find the cut option here. As you can see, we can just simply click and it will be splitted into two different videos. So I'll just split, and then I'll delete everything. I'll just remain only the parts which are needed as for me. So only this part here. So in order to delete, we need to click on our clip here, and there is like option here. So we can click on this more icon and then just click on delete. So now it was successfully deleted. If we want to like undo our option, we can simply click, of course, here, but I will just delete every single part. So I'll just click here, and then I'll just click on more to delete. So now we are working only with this area here. So what can we find? Basically, in order to edit this part of video, we need to click on more, and after that our like editing page will be opened. So here we can increase the speed, we can change the volume, we can also rotate our video, as you can see, like this, like this, like this. There are a lot of options here. If we'll go to media clip, we won't find anything here, because basically now we are going to deal with this. So this is how can we deal with video. Not like that many options, but still it's pretty cool as for me. So let's try to add like a new text. We are going to find something interesting, for example this area. If you'll click, the text will be added to our player. So now we can change the position. We can also scale the size if we need. So I'm just going to use something like this. So in order to change the text, we need to click and then just input the necessary text, like hello here. Let it be like this. So if we want to customize our text, we can simply like highlight it and then just change the parameters like color. We can change the font here. We can change the size. We can also add some other settings, or we can simply delete our text. So now it looks like this, and the whole video is just like that, like animation with video, and then just everything is done. As you can see, they have a lot of different options, like subscribe templates, like watch this template, and so on. So you'll easy for you to find the suitable one. Also, let's add some elements. For example, I'm going to add this error here, and I want to move it somewhere here. So let's try to watch what's going on. Yeah, just simply error is right up here. So this is where how can we add different shapes, you know, pretty easy. Just click, resize, and do some other stuff. We can change the color if we need, or do some other stuff. Basically, it's pretty easy. All the parts are easy to customize. And also let's add some music. For example, I'm going to show this one. Going to click on add. Here we can choose the part we are going to like add from the wall track. Let it be like this part. And now it was successfully added to our project. And in conclusion, let's add some, you know, stock photos. For example, like let it be like this one. So we can simply click and resize it. We can crop and then just change the duration, right? Yeah, basically I won't do anything. I'll just continue using like this. So in order to export, we need to click on export in the right top corner here, and then we need to easily sign up with Google or do some other stuff, and after that it will be easy for us to, you know, like export this video. If you'll go to main page here, if you'll go to Typito, we can find the option to like find the pricing of their software. So they have like free plan, solo plan, or pro plan. As you can see, the most popular is like pro. Solo plan provides us the opportunity to create 10 minutes projects, and we can like 6 minutes export duration every single month, and 5 gigabytes of storage, no watermark, and auto generate subtitles. So if you're interested in long work, I suggest you to use Pro version because it provides us the opportunity for unlimited project duration, unlimited export duration, and 25 storage per seat. There is also like no watermark and auto-generated subtitles. So basically, this is a way of how can we deal with Typito. There's like also differences here. If you're interested in working, you can just simply try it by yourself. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comments below. Basically, that's all for this video. I hope this video helped you out. If it is, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I wish you a very good day, and goodbye, guys.